it's Minnie from AllThingzJDM.
With a Z. Right, so
Okay.
here we are. We are back at the lab. Oh, just painted that real quick. Looks terrible.
Anyways.
We're back at the lab, just checking up on things. A bunch of people was asking to walk around that Nissan Z. Twin turbo. So we thought the rain would hold up, but it did not. So
Not to mention the little hail.
a little bit of hail. That's fine. So here we are. We're about to walk around this Nissan Z. So quick shout out to John Kim. I saw that you got your Chaser and you messaged me and told me that you got your Skyline. Interested in seeing what that looks like. This is the Nissan Z that is for raffle. It is on the chopping block for the raffle. Stagia, Canada. Stagia. Sup? What?
It reclines.
It reclines?
The seats.
Oh, dang.
What is this? Cruise control.
Does it? Oh, it's auto. It's Slaughter-matic.
So it's
Slaughter-matic.
What is that?
It's automatic, dog.
So what? Okay, these seats are comfortable, bro.
They do look pretty cool.
Oh, they are pretty.
This is one of the very first sports cars I sat in and took a ride in. Big homie Kyle, his pops, took me for a ride in his Nissan Z. It was green, tan interior, manual NA. And he was driving crazy. And ever since then, I knew. Start it up, boo! Ooh, the battery.
Speaking Japanese.
Speaking Japanese, the battery's dead. Yeah, battery's dead.
These seats in the back though look very.
Oh, it's a 2x2. Dope. This interior is pretty clean, man.
Ah, it is.
Pop the hood. Let's see what's under there. This one's cool. Ooh.
Oh, there's the seatbelt right here.
Oh yeah, that's Japanese, girl.
Jeez.
That's that Japanese, girl. But yeah, cool. This one's on here. 125,000 kilometers. It's pretty cool. I thought it was manual, but it's automatic. That makes sense. Why it's cheaper. What you doing? Oh, you gotta press the button. You gotta turn it all the way back and then press the button. It's a Nissan. Turn it back, and then there's a button next to the key you gotta press.
This?
Yeah, and then yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, all right. Let's walk around and see what else we got. Yeah, these things are going for 20K. Someone asked me if I can get one for 5Gs. No, I can't get that for 5Gs, bro. What's up? What else we got up in here? Oh, we got our Hiluxes. We're chilling. 98, Canada, what's up? Ooh, what is that? 85,000 kilometers. Is that like a Cressetta? It's got Lexus wheels? Is that a Cressetta or something? Oh, it's a Chaser. Whoa. So it's a GX90. Oh, and it's Manuela.
What?
It's manual. Tan interior. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. That's an MR2. That's on the raffle.
This looks like something Batman would drive in.
Batman.
It's like
Stop.
you know what I mean?
No.
Like it's compacted.
Stop.
Compacted.
Yep. So I guess we could add that on there. If somebody, I mean, y'all get the money or what? We could do whatever y'all want. It's Christmas. Let's go.
It's all about giving.
Let's go. This is not a GT4, so it's an SS3, so it's NA, so no hood scoop. It's not turbo.
Ew. I mean, lame.
Lame.
Yeah.
You're walking, fool. You don't even have a car.
Coming soon. My
What's-
car's coming soon.
What car?
Don't worry about it, honey. Kid.
What the F was that? Oh, we got customers. All right, we're gonna end this here. Yeah, just a quick walk around of that Z for you guys. So I just got a message from Kim Wong, and he asked me to go hunting for a specific magazine here in Japan that he was featured in. So I'm at the 7-Eleven with my bow and arrow, trying to scope out if this magazine is here. Stay tuned. Okay. So, oh, got him. Got him. Is this the magazine? Hold up. What up? What up? Alright, we buying them all. About to buy this place out. Let's go. How many we got? We getting them all. I don't care the price. Let's go. Let's get it. We out.
2249円です。袋は大丈夫です。
Uh,
入れます。入れます。
大丈夫。
はい。
はい。
お支払い方法をお選びください。
Look, I don't know how to use this thing. You want to slide this thing in there? We out? No? Yeah? 大丈夫?
クレジット。少々待ってくださいね。
はい。
お支払い方法をお選びください。IC カードをタッチ、または差し。
Yo. 7-Eleven stepping their game up.
カードをお取りください。
Alright, Kim.
シートをお
Target
取りくださ
acquired.
い。
We out. I just left the other 7-Eleven and now I'm at another one. Just cause I feel like if there's more magazines, let's just get it. Let's just clear them out. So here we are at another 7-Eleven. Go time, baby. Let's see what we looking like. Ooh, are we here? Oh yeah. Yeah, they don't need these. Let's go. Why they got these funny little things on them? It's weird. Let's go. Bet. We out. Got the last two. Cool car, bro.
Take care.
Yeah. Can I take a video?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Dope. Way before the fame. I see you, dog. Oh, dang. Yo. Okay. Nice, man. Nice. Yeah. Thanks, bro. AllThingzJDM.